For what value of k does this have a relative maximum of 20? Ooh, okay. What? I don't know. Well, okay, maximums and minimums occur where the derivative equals 0 or where the derivative doesn't exist. This derivative is going to exist, okay? It's a polynomial constant at the end. It's going to exist. Let's just go ahead and take the derivative. We'll have 3x squared minus 6x minus 24. And the k is gone, right? So just gone. You're like, oh, how am I going to find it? Don't panic. Let's just keep driving this train. You know it. We're driving trains in this problem, apparently, in this whole lesson. We're going to set it equal to 0. Let's divide by 3. And that gives me 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. 3, and then x minus 4, and then x plus 2 equals 0. And x equals 4 and negative 2. There we go. And how are we going to find k? Just go. Go with what you know. I make it sound like I'm panicking. Just go. Just go. I got to find k. Yeah. You'll be all right. I want a maximum of 20. So where's the maximum going to exist? The maximum is going to either be the coordinate negative 2 comma 20 or 4 comma 20, and I don't know which one. I have to figure out which one it is, so let's do this using the derivative, which doesn't involve k. So very quickly, let's switch to red and plug in a negative 3. If I plugged in a negative 3, I'd have positive times negative times negative. That would give me a positive. Okay. So far, it looks like this one's our maximum. And we are going to have, let's plug in a 0, positive, negative, positive. That's going to give me a negative. And then you know where this one's going. You can see it. Obviously, we already know where our maximum is because we're going from increasing to decreasing. We know our maximum. If you had free time, I would recommend that you find that. But in the meantime, I know that I have, and here goes, I have a minimum here. I have a maximum there. Okay, good to know. Now what? We have used up almost all our space and we still don't know what the value of k is, and I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to panic. I'm kidding. I do know what I'm doing. You thought I was going to turn the video off. Nope. Look how much time is left on it. Another hour left. Made you look. For what value of k does this function have a maximum of 20? The maximum occurs where x is 2. So at f of 2, I am running out of room. Negative 2. F of negative 2, we're going to get 20. So I'm going to plug in a negative 2. And I'm going to get 20. And now all I have to do is solve it for k. So if I was to go through this and this and this, and I have it written down, but I'm going to double check my work because I would hate to lie to you by accident. I'd have negative 8 here, minus 3 times 4, so minus 12, and then plus 48, that should be 28. Yes, sir, it is. I'm just double checking my work. 28 plus k equals 20, so k equals negative 8. We know what the maximum value of the function is. We know what x value gives us that maximum because we know calculus, and then we will set it equal and solve it.